Hey everybody, it's Michelle from The Savvy Mind coming to you with another Tuesday quick tip. And I hope your week is off to a great start. I know mine is. This week, I wanted to chat a little bit about goal setting because I think there's a little confusion about how to do it from the perspective of abundance. I am the first person to say go big and let go of your limitations. But you also have to be practical when you're setting your goal and creating your action plan. First, you want to understand that your conscious mind is your goal setter, but it's your subconscious mind that's your goal getter. And if your brain can tell that your goal is too big of a jump, well, it's just not going to cooperate. I mean, if you're trying to become a millionaire in the first 6 months of business, but you haven't earned a dollar yet, there's kind of like some incongruence there. Now, I'm not saying it's not possible, but you do need to be able to back up your goal setting with an action plan. So, the first thing I want you to do is just make sure you have or can get all of the resources that you need to produce the activity that supports your goal. The first step in the law of attraction is action, right? So, I hope this gave you something to think about. Until next week, if you have any questions, give me a call. Have a good one.